A very warm good morning to the students of Standard 10. We all are undergoing a very pathetic situation of pandemic due to COVID-19. The entire world has come to a standstill. Our country, India, is facing lockdown situation. We all are staying in our homes, staying safely, following the rules of lockdown as instructed by our respected Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Therefore, we are moving with our virtual classes so that there is no obstacle in your academics. So let me first discuss with you all the syllabus and the prescribed book by the council. The book that you are using is Commercial Studies by Dr. Std X. He is one of the renowned author and his book has been prescribed by the council. Next, your question paper. Your question paper is of 100 marks, which is divided into 80 plus 20. 80 marks is your term paper, which is again subdivided into section A and section B. Section A consists of all short questions comprising the entire syllabus, and section B consists of the long questions in which you have to attempt any 4 out of 5. So I hope the syllabus is clear in your mind. So let us proceed with our first class, in which I would like to start chapter 1, which is stakeholder in commercial organization. It is very difficult to understand these terms. What is stakeholder? What is commercial organization? The first and foremost question which rises in your mind is like, what are these? What teacher has written on the board? So these are all commercial terms which you need to be familiarized with. Now, let me first discuss what is commercial organization. Those organizations which are into the work of making money, or those business organizations which are involved in making money and profit, they are termed as commercial organizations. Now, we move on to who are the stakeholders. Stakeholders are those individuals or groups who have certain interest in an organization. Like in a production unit or in an industry, who are the stakeholders? Right from the owner, board of directors, shareholders, creditors, employees, suppliers, government, consumers, they all are the stakeholders. They have some or the other interest in the organization, in its function. To make you understand more easily, like you have your parents at home You have brothers and sisters at home. They all are your family members. But in terms of commerce, they are the stakeholders. They have certain interest in your family. Is it clear? So, next is the impact the stakeholders have in commercial organization. It can be a positive impact or it can be a negative impact. Now, the positive impact is the stakeholders are responsible to provide the resources to the commercial organization so that it can maintain a smooth functioning. But do you know that if you disregard your stakeholders, what will happen? What are its consequences? They will either block you or they will delay their operations purposely. Why? Because you have disregarded them, you have disrespected them. They form the vital part of any organization. All stakeholders, without them, the organization cannot run. A very practical example to make you understand that how the stakeholders have a positive and negative impact. Like for example, your mother. She is providing you with everything on or before time. But if you don't listen to your mother or if you make her angry, will she provide you those things in time or she will delay? Obviously, either she will not provide, she will say that for such and such things I am angry, so I will not make food today, you make your own food. Or might be if she gives you your lunch sharp at 1 o'clock, she will be that day, if she is not in a good mood or if you have spoiled her mood, then she will give you the lunch at around 3. So that means what is happening over here? Either she is not cooking food, or if she is cooking food, she is giving you the food not in time. That means she is delaying the operation. So the same thing happens with the stakeholders. If the stakeholders are disregarded, then either they block or they delay their operation, and therefore the entire process gets disturbed. So the stakeholders are very, very important part of commercial organization. So please read till where I have taught today so that I can proceed in the next session from henceforth. Thank you.